Welcome back to Auto Episode. Today I will show you easy solution to fix your Greenworker pressure washer when soap is not dispensing.
Fix 1. Check soap tank and lid. Step 1. Ensure the soap tank is full and the lid is properly secured. Step 2. A loose lid can prevent suction, causing no soap to flow. Fix 2. Inspect the soap filter. Step 1. Most Greenworks pressure washers have a filter at the bottom of the soap tank. Step 2. Remove the filter and rinse it under running water to clear clogs. Fix 3. Use the correct soap. Step 1. Use only low foaming, pressure washer safe detergents. Step 2. High foaming or thick soaps can clog the suction line. Step 3. Dilute thick soaps with water, usually 1:3 ratio. Fix 4. Check the soap hose. Step 1. Inspect the soap pickup tube that connects to the pump. Step 2. Make sure it is secure and free from cracks or debris.